Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another idea for knitting pattern. Just you can choose any other pattern between in them here, but my idea is just to show you how to have an edge like that in your project. For this pattern, um, for the specific one we need to have 3 stitches, but it's also optional for you if you want to have 2 or 3 or more specific stitches for separation. That's why I cannot tell you how many you need exactly, but just is enough to know you need to have 3 stitches for this vertical pattern. Let's get started. As I told you, just I used 2 stitches for separation. Then I'm going to knit 3 stitches, again pull and knit 3 stitches. I'm going to just repeat that one until the end of the row. For row 2, just in this case we are going to do the stitches like what they are: 3 pull, 2 knit, 3 pull, 2 knit. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back. In this we can start the pattern after the edge stitch and separation. When it comes to these 3, what we have to do, we take the last stitches and take it on the top of these 2 like that, then knit these 2 stitches and we repeat. Just take that one on the top of this and knit 2. It means that now you have in 3 stitches you have 2 stitches. No problem, because the next row we are going to increase it again. Take the last one, bring it on the top of these 2 and knit these 2 stitches like this. We'll do that until the end of the row. Next row, after edge stitches, as you can see here, this is the pattern. What we have to do, we are going to pull 1, yarn over and pull 1 again. Now we have again 3 stitches. Let's repeat by pull 1, yarn over, pull 1, 1, 2, 3, and repeat, because we are going to increase the pattern by make it in 3 again. We'll do that until the end of the row. Next row, just as I told you, you have 3 stitches again. 1, 2, 3. And just we have to knit the stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Like this. As you can see here, there is a hole in this pattern. 1, 2, 3. We keep continue until the end of the row. Next row, what we have to do, we are going to just knit the stitches. As you can see, the pull stitches should be pull, the knit stitch, knit, like that. Just pull like this. For the pattern, for the next row, it's time to repeat the pattern. When it comes in these 3 stitches, we repeat the pattern by take the last one, and then just knit these 2 stitches like this. Then let's do it one more time like this. For the pattern, it's up to you the size of the edge here. Do you want it bigger or no? If you need, you can make one more, but in my case, just I'm going to stop here. And as you can see here in the pattern, I'm going to show you how I make this one. What I have to do for the next row for this specific pattern is I'm going to take the first pattern as a normal. It means pull 3. When it comes to the rest of the stitches, what I have to, I knit 1, skip 1, knit 1, skip 1, and like this. As you can see here, my yarn is at the back side. Knit 1, skip 1, knit 1, skip 1. I'll do that until the end of the row. For next row, just what I need to do, I have to knit all stitches in this way. Set the hook here and knit. Like that. Knit all stitches like this. I keep continue until I receive to the edge at the back like this. Just make sure it's up to you. You can choose any other pattern you like. Keep continue until I just receive to these 3. When it comes to these 3, I repeat the pattern like the one we made it in the beginning. If you keep continue the pattern, these 2 just I told you, or any other pattern you like, and just keep only that one, after few rows the pattern should look like that. As you can see here, this is the front side and this is the back side of the work. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.